When you're gonna do maintenance on the fan, you need to remove it's better to remove the whole fan and do it from the inside than getting this off and clean from the top. So we're gonna show you how to take it off, do the maintenance, and then put it back. Okay. Okay. So first step, we're gonna get the hose off from the fan, and then we need to reach out inside to get these nuts off. So you might need help from someone to hold the motor for you while you're taking it off. You got that one? Okay, so take it off, we lay it on the ground like this. And then we proceed to clean the fan. Just put one,